Eileen B? Where are you? Where are you? There you are. Do you have a celebrity? You gotta name somebody. You just anybody people are shouting out? Chris Tomlin. All right. So Eileen wins free tickets to watch Chris Tomlin front row. And you're like, she's sitting there, and then there's lights! And there's smoke, and out of the crowd and the floor comes Chris Tomlin. And Eileen lifts up her eyes. Her eyes kind of go up, right? Her eyes are elevated as Chris Tomlin comes to the floor. And she's like, wow. My heart is going up and up and up. Wow. Front row tickets by Mr. A. But Chris Tomlin coming out of the floor is like, here we go. The 20th time I've done this, right? He's looking out there and he's like, here I go again. Another concert number 506. Kind of boring, right? And then Chris Tomlin sees Eileen screaming. And he looks down. He looks down and sees the number one fan, Eileen, cheering. Now, sometimes people might think of celebrities. I don't know about Chris Tomlin, but sometimes they think of celebrities. Sometimes they're like, wow, thousands of people staring at them. They're like, they looked in a mirror. They actually might be depressed. Sometimes people who are depressed are looking down in life. So let's review. If Eileen looks up, that angle is called the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. And if Chris Tomlin is looking down in life, so this one, I want you guys to label it. This one's called the line of sight. Line of sight. And that's looking down. Looking down here is called the angle of depression. So back in your geometry class, you would have seen that these are called the ground here and line of sight here is called parallel lines. Parallel lines cut by a transversal, which is the diagonal. That essentially says that the angle of depression and angle of elevation are alternate interior angles which are congruent. The common mistake for students is to put the angle of depression on this side of the triangle, and that would be incorrect.